In this video, I'll be showing you how to use YouTube in the background. The method I'll be showing you is recommended when you want to listen to music or maybe podcasts on YouTube that you don't necessarily want to see what they are talking about, but just hearing it is okay for you. Then you can also try this method. So I'll be showing you two ways to do it. The first method is by using Brave browser. So just install Brave browser. I'll leave a link to it in the description. It's completely free. So open up Brave browser. Next you tap here, you tap settings. Scroll down a bit until you get this option here. If yours is deactivated, then make sure you tap here to activate it. And it's going to ask you to relaunch the browser. So you tap relaunch. And now I'm going to head over to YouTube. Like I said, this will be recommended if you are listening to music, but I don't want my video to get any copyright strikes, so I'm going to just use a video file. So I'll just tap the video so you can start playing.
Just like every football
and you can hear it. So if I tap the home button, alright, so I had to turn down the volume a bit. So if I tap here, you can hear that it is still playing. And if I swipe the notification panel down, you can see it here, it is still playing. So that's how you do it with Brave browser. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with another browser. Alright, so the other browser we'll be using is Firefox. So if you don't have it, then I'll leave a link in the description as well, so you can download the app and just open it. And before heading over to YouTube, you tap here. Next you tap add-ons. As you can see, I already have this one installed, but it's going to be down here, around here for you. So just look for this add-on down here, and when you find it, you tap the plus button. And if the app asks you to restart, then you restart, but I don't think it did. So yeah, after installing it, if you go to youtube.com, everything is about football now, and you play any video, for instance this one. Now if I tap the home button, you can see that it still plays. Okay, you can hear that it still plays, and yeah, from here you can see the notification bar, and it's playing in the background. So if this was music, then I wouldn't have to be on YouTube to listen to the music. I can be using other apps while listening to music on YouTube. And if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. That's one way of letting me know. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be seeing you in the next video.